Hello, how to make a super smooth transition in Alight motion.
When the silence is too loud, I swear I can hear a voice. Left a message in the clouds. They are free to roam above the sea, and this
Add your videos.
stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
Next, go to the effects and add finding distortion or warp,
What do spirits say?
tiles, turn on mirror, next effect in blur, motion blur, tune 0.70, copy effects, and paste effects on all videos. Select the first video and click Move and Transform.
There's something inside the water. Don't know
We put keyframes on both sides and move the video to X1920.
they are free to roam above the sea, and their story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
Choosing the second cubic Bezier easing. In the same way, we do only the reverse side on the second video. Move and transform move video to X0. Choosing the third cubic Bezier easing. Add keyframes and scale up to 5000 px. Choosing the second cubic Bezier easing. In the next, we will increase the same to 5000 px. Choosing the third cubic Bezier easing. Add keyframes and flip the video up to 90 degrees. Choosing the second cubic Bezier easing. Also add keyframes and flip the video by -90 degrees. Choosing the third cubic bezier easing. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Put your likes. See you in the next video.
Myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell, so watch me